So YouTube, so it's same day, just a little couple hours later, and the package came in the mail. Texas Speed and Performance. Let's open this shit up. This is a cam for my OBS for my 92 Chevy Silverado. So I was too excited to go grab a knife, so fuck it. Then we got it's a little unboxing. It's a cam for the 6.0 swapped OBS. I've been waiting on this for about 3 weeks now, but should be worth the wait. Get that out the way. Get that out the way. Boom. There she freaking is. Woo! Alright, we'll get to that last. Let's go over these things real quick. So, let's see. So, most important part. Got a couple stickers. Where's the other thing? Right here. Got a little keychain. Texas Speed and Performance. There you go. I got the ARP replacement bolt for the crank. What's it called? Damn, it has a name. The balancer, harmonic balancer. So I got the replacement bolt because they said the stock one's only supposed to be a one-time use, but I just went ahead and got it. Got a new timing chain. What's this right here? The cam sprocket. Put that in the shot. It's a GM replacement. I just said might as well, if I'm gonna do the swap, yeah, might as well go in there and switch everything out. So that's what I'm gonna do. This should be the performance. Yeah, the push rods, I think. Yeah, 7.4 chromoly. Texas Speed and Performance. Doesn't say anything else on here. No, that's all it says. But yeah, just also same situation. Just want to replace them. They should be the same size. Look, Texas Speed and Performance 7.4. Yeah. I'm gonna try to do this today. The whole little swap. So I'm gonna try to record some of that as well. Some of me doing the actual cam swap, but if not, well, I'm obviously gonna do a video of it idling, chopping. I believe these are called the retainers, but I got the whole dual springs because it was recommended for my cam, the one that I got. It is a pretty decent cam, pretty big. I got those, and then I guess these are called like the seats or the little boots. This goes at the bottom, spring goes on that, and these go at the top. So I got the whole little spring set, dual springs. And then of course all my gaskets, for the timing cover right here, this big one, for where the harmonic balancing goes, also on the cover. My water pump gaskets, and I think that's it. There's 1, 2, yeah. Got those. This, I'm not sure what this is. Oh shit. It's not a GM part. Well, let's open it up, right? My bad, I'm here doing all these ugly recording. I'm too excited if y'all can't tell. Oh yeah, this is the timing sprocket, the one that goes at the bottom. This, I'm gonna replace it. Damn, my bad. I'm gonna replace it. So this one goes at the bottom. The chain hooks up here, and then the cam Wait. Yeah, the cam sprocket would be up here. So the chain goes here, goes down to this one. I got this for the same reason. Why not? I'm already gonna have it open. Might as well switch everything out so I can know it's new. Don't have to go back in there. But I'm not too sure on how to replace these. I heard they told me right here there's a key that I pull out, and then this should just slide right out, and same process to put back in. You know, put it in, then put the key. I'm gonna check it out. If not, I've also heard that these have to be like pressed in. You know, pressed in, and there's a special little puller that you use to take this off. But I mean, first time doing this. I'm gonna, you know, learn as we go. So I'll keep y'all updated on this. To be honest with y'all, I might not even do this. I might just, you know, keep this in case I ever need it. But you know, it doesn't hurt to get it. And I think that was it. Let me put all this stuff back in the box. Hold on. My stickers, don't want to lose those. Alright, so now the fun part. Here we go. I'll give you all the cam specs on this cam here. I'm gonna focus this up. Oh, it's gonna be upside down. Let me do it over here. All types of messy here. Come on. Oh, damn. I still didn't get it right. Alright, so here's the card. It's the first time I'm seeing this because they don't offer these numbers on the website. So duration, 0.050, lobe lift, 370, 355, or 353, valve lift, right there, lobe separation, intake center line. Boom. Alright. Take speed. Sorry, comes camshaft part. Oh yeah, here you go. It's the when you go on their website, you can look them up as the bfdcam. Yeah, so just go on Texas Speed and look up BFD. They offer it for I believe 4.8s, 5.3s, 6.0s, and the newer 5.3s, which is like the L83s. But y'all can look that up. So this is what, I mean, it's, you know, it's a basic cam. Y'all really can't tell anything from looking at it, but it should be engraved with this right here. Hold on, guys. Hold on 1 second. Freaking Bigfoot. I'm trying to get a better angle of it. Yeah, 6.0 BFD. I'm not sure if this is true, but I've heard that the BFD stands for Bigfoot's dick, which is pretty funny, but you know, 6.0 BFD cam. He's gonna be chopping, man. Look at that bad boy. So this is gonna be my technically first mod after getting the engine swap on the OBS. It's gonna be my first actual mod. So it's gonna be the cam. I should be able to get this done today. I think my only thing that's gonna slow me down is having to go to O'Reilly's and rent out tools, because I don't have those at home, so I'm gonna rent them out. But it shouldn't be a problem. Should still be able to finish it by today. And if not, worst case, today's a Thursday, so if I don't finish it by today, I still got tomorrow. And on the weekend, hopefully I can turn it on and just cruise, show y'all some driving videos and some idling videos. Because with this cam, this big of a cam, they recommend a 3600 stall, which I don't have yet. I have a stock 4L80E behind the engine. And I've heard a lot about it's gonna be driving pretty crazy, driving I don't know, just rough. This, like I said, is my first time experiencing this, so I'm gonna install the cam, and I'll give y'all updates on everything, you know, everything I experience changes, you know, power gains, because right now it's untuned, so it's power gains, drivability, all that. I've also seen videos when they turn it on, the truck or car try to stall, it turns off and all that. I'll give y'all a step-by-step how everything works out, just in case y'all want to go with the same setup as me. This whole, everything I got runs about roughly $700 to $800 plus shipping and everything already included. It depends. You can switch some things out. You know, you can opt out on the ARP bolts. You can use the same one you got. You can not get the sprockets. You can use the same timing cover. There's a lot of different variations of this same kit. You know, you don't really need everything I got, but in case you do, that's roughly what it runs you. But if you haven't bought it yet, what I would recommend, or if you're trying to do it on a lower like budget, get the springs, because you do need that. Get the push rods and the cam. You should be good with that, unless you want to get gaskets from them too, because I mean, you're gonna need gaskets. I recommend that. Once you open something, you should always put new gaskets on. But the ARP bolts, the sprockets, and the chain, you could get away with using the same one. You know, you should be good. So that would drop you like another $200 around there roughly. So that's my advice. But I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna start getting the truck ready and start disassembling things to get this cam in, and I'll slowly record the whole process, and when I'm ready, I'll upload a video of the idle, me turning it on, and whatever happens. All right, catch y'all on the next one.